my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you along to Woolworth, where I'm going to buy some things. Okay, let's go together. And the place is Tegernseer Straße, and this is how the place looks like. As you can see, they have tram station, they have bus station, and they have Ubahn station. And this is so amazing, as in the prices that they have on their things that they are selling. They are very affordable, like something you get in from Media Markt for 50 euros, you get it for 25 euros. And I'm like, wow, I never knew this kind of place exists, you know. So I don't know, maybe you don't know about Woolworth. And I said, let me share with you guys the things I bought, like show you guys what I bought, like this pot. You can see the price. You can see. And they are all original, not like maybe they are selling the fake ones and then they just tag the real price there. And this other one, so you can see. Today was amazing, as in I was so excited when I was picking everything. I'm like, oh God, I'm going to share this. I can't know this and swallow it, as in I have to share with my family, you know. So, and this is the name. In case you stay around or you come to Munich and you want to pick some things, you just go to Woolworth. So I also bought this for mixing, for baking and all that, and weighing machine. See, the prices is affordable. They are not expensive. So you can see this. This one is big, as in I love the size. So as I was trying to arrange things, because the things we bought were much, so I was trying to put them together so that they will enter the bag. So I tore the paper. You can see the price. So I had to just attach the paper together so that you can see the price. So you see they're affordable, right? And the plates, I got this plate for 3 euros. See? I'll be dropping the address on where to go, how to get to Woolworth shop in case you want to get some. I'll be dropping it for you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and bye.
Bye.